Well, hello and good morning. Let's have a look around. Now, I got this thing pretty much painted, and I'm just going around with some abrasives and kind of working out where the drips are. And just kind of getting some of those rougher spots. Yeah, got a few drips here and there. Just looking for the worst of it. Paint's pretty thin on here. I gotta put another coat. Yeah, looking pretty good. Try to kind of smooth this a little bit. Take care of the curves. See, I got a drip right there. Little paint chip hanging in there. I find that even irritating. I don't know if you can see that. But there it goes. Excuse me. Okay. Trying to kind of work on some places that tend to catch the eye. This machine is not going to be against the wall, so I want it to look fairly good from the back. I'm always searching around and on the internet, there's a lot of good lathes out there that look pretty good, interesting ones. Geared head lathes I mostly look at right now. There's quite a few locally and some on the internet. I don't know, I think people a guy here that has a shop was telling me it's just people are getting old and there's not very many people that can operate machinery like this anymore. It's like that around here, I'm sure. Yeah, just kind of smooth out a little bit. This big old plate that goes back here. But this area here is kind of lumpy. There's some of that black filler. But even drips. All right. See, another paint chip there. Get that little scraper on that. Yeah. You know, you think you got all those, and then they show up, you know. I mean, like really sticking out. There's kind of an area there that's bad, but I'll kind of smooth that. There's another one there, see? I guess I didn't get this part very good. Take care of it now, though. Yeah. Just go ahead and knock it off and come back over it. Throw a little primer on it. I could have swore I got that. Got it now, though. Let's get over here. Yeah, there you go. I hope you're all doing good today. All right, really thankful for this weather. Very nice. All right. Yeah, I was looking at a geared head lathe on HGR last night, and I've never seen one like it. It's Monarch Model 61, and they listed as a 10 by 32 inch swing and all that, but has a top speed of 1500 RPM. I've never seen a Monarch 61 with that high a speed. Also had lead screw reverse, quite a toolmaker's machine. We got a lot of those machines around Hanford and local industries, a lot of Monarch model 60 and 61. I think they're a 16 speed headstock, but a lot of them around here don't even go to 1,000 RPMs. You know, it seems like a lot of them are 800, but one of 1,500 is pretty interesting. Well, I think so anyway. I thought I'd say something about it. All right, now here's hey, Chloe. Oh, hi. I think they're friends.
I think they are friends. They know each other.
Yeah, they know each other. Yeah. Oh, you're a sweetheart.
Oh, and so are you.
She's sweet.
She is sweet.
Oh, you're a good guy. You've been around a long time.
Yep.
Yes, you have.
She sure has. 13. She'll be 14 in November.
Yeah, she's just gonna be 13.
Just gonna be 13.
Yeah.
So close in age. Yeah.
Yeah, that's doing good for a dog that size.
I know, right?
Yeah.
They're always amazed at the vet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
This is a nice neighborhood. Okay. Well, we're back here. And, yeah, I just got, see, I got the worst of that. I think that, oh, that, you know, spot putty's good enough for that. And I'm just going to go over it one more time and just kind of get the worst of the holes in this casting. But it's coming right along. So, I think today, it looks like, I'll just go around and finish up all the little places with the primer paint and do a little bit more of the spot stuff, but have all the primer on, and tomorrow morning put the finish paint on. I think that can really happen. Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and load this video right now, and I hope you have a good morning, and you can kind of see what my mornings are like here. Bye-bye. Okay. Yeah, all right. Yep, this is it. And hang on for a second here. I'm gonna paint the lathe the same color as this drill press, just for easy touch-up reasons. I mean, you can find this paint anywhere. Massey Ferguson gray is what the color is. Okay, I'll load this video and finish up this stuff here, and maybe tomorrow morning I can show some real results and finish this thing up and get back to making some other stuff, you know, making parts as you, yeah. Okay, you guys have a great day, and you know where I'm gonna be. Okay, bye.